So today I'm gonna tell you how to set Ctrl D to duplicate like this. When you press Ctrl D, it will automatically duplicate the selection to another line. Open the settings, open the keyboard shortcuts here, and then type here duplicate selection, Ctrl D, and press the Ctrl D to set and enter to set it. And every time when you will press the Ctrl D, it will automatically copy the selection to another line. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I really hope it was useful for you. Yeah. Good luck. Peace with your coding.